Google has just released a new report that search engine optimization professionals are definitely going to love. This report gives you detailed information on whether or not your site is secure. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at that report. Let's dive in. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this in the future. So last year, Google rolled out something called the Page Experience Report inside of Google Search Console. While this report was helpful, there were still common complaints that it didn't give enough insights into something called HTTPS, which basically says if your site is secure or not, which is a major issue with Google because Google wants your website to be secure, and it's also a minimal ranking factor. So what SEO professionals and website owners really wanted to understand is which of their pages were being served securely and which ones were not, and why. To address this, Google has just recently rolled out a global HTTPS report for search engine pros. This report is going to give you insights about your HTTPS pages and how they're served in search. And you might be surprised. One of the things I've seen in this report is that actually not all the pages are being served that are secure, which is kind of confusing because most website owners want that to be the case. This report is going to list the issues also that prevent pages from being served as HTTPS. And they're even going to give you sample URLs. This new report is definitely going to be part of every search engine optimization professional's toolbox. Now you're going to know what's being served that's secure and what's not. And if it is broken and not being served secure, they will tell you which pages those are and how to fix them. That's it for this video on HTTPS and Google Search Console, the new SEO report. If you have a question, leave it below. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Give me a like. Goodbye.